The details you find in this home are something you don't see every day. No cookie-cutter home here. This one is filled with charm and unique characteristics. Beautiful woodwork, a stunning open staircase, natural lighting, and gorgeous hardwood floors. Upon entering, you'll immediately notice the wood-trimmed windows and fresh neutral carpeting that leads way to the formal dining room with lovely hardwood floors and large windows. The kitchen offers an additional eating area, and all appliances will remain. Also on the main floor is a den area, laundry room, and half bath. All of the bedrooms are located upstairs, plus an updated full bath. This home offers a basement with a rec space and an outdoor entertaining space that will be amazing on the extra-large patio. Additional amenities include new electrical panel, gas for stair and central air, and a detached garage, all on the spacious corner lot close to downtown Auburn, where you'll find charming boutiques and great dining places, as well as the Auburn Duesenberg Museum. Don't miss out. Call Linda Carper right away.